Sonam, I have a question for you. Why did you choose, when you guys decided to curate and design a brand, why did you choose a high street brand instead of high-end luxury? That's a question that I'm curious about.
First of all, we wanted to make it, I know when people look at me and they're like, oh my God, there's this 5'9" actress person who walks the red carpet at Cannes. And the idea was to bring who I am and what my sister is to a contemporary young Indian girl who can't necessarily afford the kind of clothes actresses wear, but wants to be as glamorous and comfortable. So it's affordable glamour, affordable luxury, according to me, because the fabrics are amazing, the designs are very well thought of. And we made it, Riya and I made it for young Indian girls and women who work, who go to college, who want certain fabrics, who want certain silhouettes. I know all of you all know that I've battled with body issues. I've written about it. I've spoken about it for many, many years. And it's been a journey. So when I wear my clothes, they're almost like a shield, so that people don't see my body, but they see what I'm wearing. And I don't want girls to feel that. I want them to be comfortable. My sister feels a similar way. And so we wanted it to be so accessible, affordable, and we didn't want them to be intimidated by the clothes, and they had to be glamorous and fashionable and fun. So that's what it is.
Sorry. Okay, so Reason is completely showcase a cherishing childhood theme. So I just want to know, is there any like a most embarrassing or quirky nickname of yours which your parents has addressed it?
My parents called me what? My dad
Nickname.
Embarrassing nicknames? My father used to call me Giraffe because I had a really long neck.
Amba.
Amba.
So tall.
And
I remember.
And my family and my friends call me Senior now.
Okay.
Senior Kapoor.
Senior Giraffe.
My sisters always had been the cool ones, so nobody ever tried to make
I just
her.
had like Ryu, Riri.
Yeah.
My new friend calls me Riri.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude, just like, oh, Boni Chachu used to call me Chipkali. Because I was so skinny and I was so, like I didn't like eating when I was young and I was just like skinny.
I don't know what happened.
And then all of a sudden, around 13, 14, I was like, food! I went insane. But yeah, that was my nickname.
के लिए कभी लड़ाई झगड़े होते थे एक दूसरे के कपड़ों के साथ कुछ ऐसा?
बचपन में मेरी जो हम लड़ाई तो कभी नहीं करते थे। रिया और मैं बहुत ही करीब हैं बचपन से ही। और मेरी माँ जो है वो एक फैशन डिज़ाइनर होती थी, वो कपड़े बनाती थी। तो हमारी जो चाइल्डहुड है वो कपड़ों मतलब फैशन और फिल्म से बहुत भरपूर, बहुत ही देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी ऐसी। तो हाँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें हैं, पर हमारे एक बहुत ही साधारण सिंपल वे ऑफ लिविंग था 90s में। हमारे पास सेल फोन्स नहीं थे, हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था, कंप्यूटर्स बहुत कम चलते थे। हम जाते थे तो एक बॉक्स होता था कंप्यूटर के लिए, और 1 घंटा मिलता था एक हफ्ते में कंप्यूटर के साथ खेलने में, और मोडेम होते थे इंटरनेट के लिए जब मैं 15 साल की थी। You remember that?
Of course, everything took 1 hour to
dial up मोडेम होता था। और फिर आई थिंक जब मैं 15-17 साल की थी तभी ICQ, याहू मैसेंजर, हॉटमेल, ये सब शुरू हो गया। You know that what is it? SA or sex age or ASL. Oh my God, मुझे ये सब याद है। तो वो सब बहुत धीरे धीरे शुरू हुआ, मगर मुझे याद है, रिया और मुझे याद है, जब बचपन में हमारे जो वांट्स और नीड्स थे वो बहुत ही सिंपल थे, और हम वो ही चीज़ हमारे कपड़ों में लाना चाहते हैं, टू सिंप्लीफाई लाइफ, टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल ब्यूटीज़ ऑफ लाइफ। एंड दैट वाज द होल आइडिया। जब रिया हम स्वीट्स और थोड़े थोड़े कैंडीड सिगरेट्स के साथ और ये सारी चीज़ें को दिखा रहे हैं हमारे कपड़ों के तौर, बट दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट।
So our company, Sonam and I, the first company that we started together is named after my nani, Duru. And
Draupadi,
but everyone called her Duru. And so basically, you know, the thing is, my Nana worked in the State Bank of India, and he had a very high post, but my nani used to always tell me that they didn't have a lot of money to spend on like clothes or, you know, things like that. They had a very beautiful home and they had everything, but the disposable income was less because he was a very simple man, my nana. So my nani taught herself how to stitch clothes. She taught herself how to do flowers. She taught herself how to bake. And that creativity came into my mother and my Masi. And I think that her spirit sort of lives in us.
Yeah.
And she was a very simple woman who loved music and loved clothes and loved flowers and loved all the most amazing things in life that you can get at any price. You know, it doesn't matter. It's not about it being expensive. So that's basically the idea, the soul of the brand. Yeah.
आपकी ब्रांड के कपड़े कई इंडस्ट्री के आपके दोस्तों तक भी पहुंचे थे, उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी आए होंगे। कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो याद आता हुआ जब
रिया, मैं और शॉपर स्टॉप ने भी मेड श्योर कि हर जो इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लड़कियां हैं, हमारे जो भी दोस्त हैं, जो भी फैशन एडिटर्स हैं, प्रेस में जो भी हैं, हमने उन सबको रीज़न के कपड़े भेजे और हमने कभी किसी को नहीं कहा कि ये पोस्ट कीजिए। उन सब ने अपने आप पोस्ट किया है क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि हम जो भी काम करते हैं वो हम स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू फैशन हम दिल से करते हैं और ये हमारे लिए एक मॉनेटरी, आई मीन वी ऑल वांट टू मेक मनी गोविंद, बट ये हमारे लिए
गोविंद स्माइल
पर ये हमारे इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट सेलिंग, इट इज़ अबाउट saying, it's about passion, it's about saying ki there is no reason that you can't do anything. You can do whatever you set, especially for girls and women out there. There is no reason you can't do anything. There's every reason to just look forward and be empowered, and that is the whole idea also behind Reason.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hi Riya, hi Sonam, Hesha here.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations on Reason.
Thank you.
We've all seen the collection, and I have this one question that I want to know personally. Out of everything that you guys have made for all the other girls out there, which one's your favorite? Like one outfit that you and Riya both love the most?
I honestly really like the saris, but because we made it for young Indian girls, it's a little short
Indian
for
girl
me.
is 5'6".
Yeah, I like Indian girl sizes. I'm just a giant human being. So we're going to hopefully make clothes for tall girls also. Yeah. But I love everything. For me, the denim is amazing. I'm not somebody who's ever been comfortable wearing denim. And we made it so that the jeans fit just a little high enough. You know how we don't like wearing, Indian girls really don't like wearing low-rise jeans, right? So they're high-rise and they're stretchy, so nothing like comes out
and
oozes out. They hold you. I'm sorry, guys, too much information. But I really like the jeans, and I love my mom's jacket. It's called the mom's jacket. It's been inspired by my mom's old jacket, and I really like that. So yeah.
Sonam, hi, it's Ankita.
Hi, Ankita.
First of all, congratulations for Reason.
Thank you.
And Cannes 2017 is just round the corner.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow, and you're walking the red carpet on 21st and 22nd. So how excited you are, first of all, and how do we see Sonam this year? Along with this, Deepika Padukone is also making her debut in Cannes under the same brand, L'Oréal Paris.
Yes.
So
L'Oréal Paris, are we allowed to say that?
L'Oréal Paris, I mentioned. So any advice or any wishes you would like to give her?
I mean, I hope she has a good time, because I don't think I should be giving advice to someone who has already walked several international red carpets. I just believe in being myself, and honestly, my sister styles me. We haven't actually prepped that much this time because we had a brand that we were launching. I'm shooting for 2 films. She's making a film called Veere the Wedding. And for the past couple of years, we decided not to pressurize ourselves and just have a good time, and we've got the best reviews because of it. So we don't think about it too much. It's not about the status quo, status symbol of being on the red carpet. We're going for a brand. If it was a movie, I would be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. I'm going to faint on the red carpet. Can I go in my pajamas? But because it's for a makeup brand and it's something that I really enjoy doing, it's about looking beautiful. And you can only look beautiful if you're happy inside and if you are confident. And that is, again, something that is very empowering. And that's what my sister and I are trying to promote through our brand and through every appearance that we make, that it's okay to be yourself.
Hi. Sonam ji, Hi, congratulations to you all.
Thank you.
As you're talking about your teenage memories actually, तो कभी ऐसा कोई memory है जहाँ पर आप लोग inspired हुए तो कोई actresses से seeing their clothes on the
करिश्मा कपूर in दिल तो पागल है.
Karishma Kapoor
Oh
in
my God,
she
Lolo
was
in Dil
so
To
hot.
Pagal Hai is my all-time. She's my fashion icon. in
I
that
think
movie.
Urmila and Rangila.
Yeah, Urmila and Rangila are so
Urmila
hot.
and Rangila was amazing. I mean, ये तो 90s के films हैं. I know बहुत मुझे कहना चाहिए वहीदा रहमान, रेखा and all वो बहुत खूबसूरत, you know, but वो बहुत ही Indian. But I used to like Nutan. वो trousers पहनती थी और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती थी. And she wore. So yeah, Sharmila Tagore, Nutan. But अगर हम 90s के बारे में बात करें, so even Raveena Tandon in that song, you know, oh Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar in that song.
चुरा के
Dil Mera.
But have you ever tried like to copy them? I mean, you go to a tailor and tell them I want this particular dress. ऐसे कभी
मैं जब भी 13 साल की थी 14 साल की थी अगर मेरी मम्मी को कहा कि
18-19 years.
No, 18 years old मैं already acting कर रही थी तब तक.
या फिर कभी ऐसे try किया हो कि I want this particular dress इस तरह का design किया
No,
हो?
I thought that if I can get an outfit like Lolo, I'm gonna look so cool, but it was a mess.
No, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, Karishma has a
I'm not
very
sure.
different body type to me.
Picture and
So.